Correct.
But this one is, I think, uh, it's a training on how to communicate.
Communicate.
To
External media.
press, external media, primarily press or even press.
Correct. Have you interacted with media before, Gopal?
Not here.
Okay.
Once in my campus days, that's it.
Okay. And you, how long have you been with Procter?
7 years.
7 years. And this has been before Procter for you?
Before Procter, I did 6 years in chemicals, specialty chemicals industry. Then did my MBA from SP Jain Institute of Management. And then moved into.
So you're a Bombay man, is it?
No, I'm. Yeah, this is the 7th year in Bombay. I'm living 7th year in the Bombay, including campus.
Okay. You handle sales.
Yeah, I handle. We call it as customer business development. It's,
okay, CBD.
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 Yeah.
Okay. So, Gopal, just a few, 2-3 questions that I'd like to chat with you. That when we talk about CBD, pricing becomes a very important issue from a consumer point of view, especially when you talk about value-based sales. As Indian consumers are very value conscious. When competition reduces prices, then how do you all see your entire strategy? Do you all take that seriously when a competition changes its pricing?
We have our own systems and process to understand what is right for consumer. So we go by that. I mean, it's not just indication from market that we will go and reduce or whatever. So we have our own systems and processes which takes care of what's the right thing for consumers. So we always follow those understanding. I mean, that's how we do it.
Okay. Margins play a very important role, and despite it being a price sensitive market, now for instance, let's say your competition has reduced pricing, you all have your own mechanism in place, but sticking to your mechanism means that you lose market share because India being such a price sensitive. So how do you all view a scenario like that?
Our systems and process has proven us to win share in the past so many years.
Okay.
So as long as it's a proven system, I don't think we should be worried too much.
Okay.
So that's what we do. We follow the successful model, and we keep on reapplying the same stuff. And whenever there is a miss, obviously we correct that and we make our models and systems more robust.
Okay. So let's say existing models one can still understand.
Right.
What about a new model? And there are new launches when you all do. So how does
even for the new launch, it's the same thing. I mean, we have done so many new launches in the past decade. So for every new launch, we have done certain research and understanding, and figured out what works, what didn't work, and we just reapply such things. And if there is a new learning, we take it from the market.
Okay. Which has been one of the most learning price and sales experience that you had in the 7 years at Procter?
Honestly, we don't track our performance with price as a key metric. So that's why.
That's not really a.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's why I can't immediately
Give you an example.
comment. I mean, if you ask me, real price has never been real fundamental. Real fundamental is awareness, trial, and consumption.
Okay.
Price never be.
In those fundamentals, what has been one of the most challenging situations that you faced?
Yeah, India is a country where creating awareness till the last man is really difficult. So it takes a lot of time, a lot of effort. So you have to always be conscious in your choices. Do you want to really go across the country, or 100% of consumers, or you want to do only with selective target audience? So we go as per the launch, we choose what we need to do it. There is no single formula which will work. Okay, if it's a launch from P&G, you have to launch it for 100% of consumer. There is nothing like that. It's all, what is your target audience? Where do you want to reach?
Okay. Thanks so much, Gopal. Thank you.
Yeah.
Just an idea comes in, a camera also comes in.
Right.
Otherwise, generally when you're talking to media, there's a person,
Yeah.
there's a human face to it.
Right.
So we are largely more comfortable in situations
Yes.
like that. That's
Okay.
why this exercise is done.
Okay, so will you share this?
I will be sharing you